Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can defend in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. So over here, as you guys can see, the enemy team has the ball. So if I want to defend, what I need to do is first I need to select the player. Once I get the player, I need to go in front of the defender, or like in front of the player who has the ball. Once you go in front of the player, you want to press on this button called matchup. So if I click on matchup by going in front of the player, it's going to tackle them. And once I have the ball, the matchup button is going to change into pass. So if the enemy player has the ball, you need to click on matchup. So just go in front of the player first. So as you guys can see, I'm going to go in front of the player and I'm going to click on matchup. And as you guys can see, he's tackling him. And just like this, I got the ball. So that is basically how you guys can defend on eFootball. So let me show you again. I'm going to let the enemy team capture it. I'm going to go in front and I'm just going to click on matchup over here. Watch this, watch this. So yeah, that is basically how we guys can defend in eFootball. Just go in front of the player and click on matchup and you will be able to defend it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.